Everyone, and welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition. So today we're going to be focusing on cleaning the guest bedrooms or any of the bedrooms that people are going to be staying in during the Christmas period. So you can either clean along with me or you can get motivated and clean after. So what I'm planning to do is with this water that's in this little bucket is basically I'm going to add some disinfectant and some multi-purpose cleaner in here, and I'm going to make sure that all the rooms have been disinfected and cleaned. So I'm also going to have my microfiber cloths that I'm going to use. Yeah. I've got a pink one and a yellow one, so I'm going to separate them. I think I'll use the yellow one for like the dust. So I'm going to be doing a bit of damp dusting. And the pink one is just to wipe off all the water. So I'm going to start with the areas that people touch quite often. So the light switches, they needed a bit of attention. And I'm also going to focus on the doors, not just the handle, the whole door, because I can't remember the last time I cleaned my doors. You could use a feather duster for this, but I couldn't be bothered to go get one. So I'm also going to do my skirting boards. So don't forget to use skirting boards as well, because they do collect a bit of dust, as you can see on this one. So I'm using the damp dusting method, and then I'm going to also do the wardrobes as well, because they do probably collect a bit of dust throughout the year. So I prefer to do damp dusting. It's a lot more faster and more effective, in my opinion. Let's not forget to do the headboards. Don't forget to hoover the mattress as well. It's something that I've been doing quite a lot this year. So I get the hoover and I just hoover the whole mattress. And also just moving the bed, you'll be surprised of all the things that you'll find under there. So don't forget to move the bed and the mattress. And yeah, that's it. If you guys are enjoying this content, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know how far you are into your Christmas preparations. I know I've got the bathroom to do, and everywhere else I think is almost done. So let me know, share with me if I have missed anything so I can tackle that as well. So if you are watching this video, please note that I did these 2 rooms in 2 separate days. I did not do everything in one day. So if you feel like you're feeling the pressure, please don't feel pressured, because like I said, this is a very busy time of the year, and do things that you can with the time that you have. If you need to ask for help, get your family involved and they can help you out. So everything might look like it was done in one day. It was not, because I'm also very busy as well. So just do what you can, and I know it's a time for family, so please enjoy that as well, but don't feel too much pressure and do what you can. I hope that these videos are helpful and motivating you, and just serving as a reminder of all the things that you can tackle. But please do not take these videos as something that you have to do. My methods can be a little bit on the extreme side for some people, so just take what you can and do what you can. But if you are enjoying these videos, please continue watching and consider subscribing to the channel if you have not. Please look forward to 2 more videos before the end of the year, and I also hope that they're going to be helpful. Until next time, guys, you have a lovely day. Bye.